Is it low? Also this way. Or did you connect the thing? Instagram? I mean, sorry, WhatsApp? Once you get it, let me know. Did you get the WhatsApp on? Hey Archana, welcome. Once it comes through, let me know so I can basically remind. Hey guys, welcome. Good evening. The Wednesday just before Diwali, right? So obviously extra tamjam, in my words, extra tamjam banta tha. Hey Rishika, welcome. Cheers with chai while we are waiting for a few more ladies to join us, and let me know how this combination is. I am head over heels with this brown and yellow. Brown to mera वैसी I mean yellow तो मुझे वैसे ही पसंद है, and brown आजकल is my new black. Brown and blue even. Orange भी मुझे पसंद है. So सारे ही colors मुझे पसंद है. Hey Shivina, welcome. Hi Ranjini, how are you? Hi Bhavna, welcome. Cheers with chai, you guys. I thought, while we wait for a couple more minutes, थोड़ी सी मेरी दो घूंट चाय भी हो जाए. I know, right? One of my friends, क्या कहते हैं, school times की जो friend है, उसको मुझे मैसेज करना था, because one of the visits, even she loves bangles and I love bangles. Whenever I go to my mom's town, I always buy bangles. और मुझे स्टोर से बैंगल लेना पसंद नहीं है. आई लाइक दैट वो ठेले पे सारे कलर्स होते हैं ना, ऐसा लगता है कि पूरा पूरा ठेला ले ले, बट पहुंचेगी नहीं ना यहाँ तक. आई हैव सो मेनी कलर्स गाइज. वन डे टाइम निकाल के आ जाना. आई विल शो यू माई बैंगल कलेक्शन पर्सनल. हे रीना, वेलकम. Hey, thanks, yeah, thank you. So I was talking with my friend, right? So I was going to text her, but मुझे time ही नहीं मिला. चाय गरम करने में लगी थी, and then because one of the India visits we used to do this, and her name is Aisha, so we used to say Aisha look, और फिर वो कहती थी उल्का look, और हम आपस में ही अपने bangles enjoy करते थे. So hey Rita, welcome, good evening. So this is just before Diwali वाला live है, तो बनता था, राइट? और इस टाइम मुझे बताओ, जेन्युइनली बताना मुझे, कितने 10 on 10 मिल रहे हैं, क्या 9.5 मिल रहे हैं? 9 के नीचे तो मैं लूंगी नहीं आज. Look at this color, I mean the color combination, guys. My God, look at that. And I've done a little photo shoot just before, because this blouse, of course, is personal, but it has this little danglies on this right side. So वो यहाँ से dangle होता है, but because I'm going to be conducting, ये सब मुझे showcase करना है सारी, तो वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. इसके लिए मैंने सोचा कि उसका photo shoot करके रखूं. So yeah, hey Priya, welcome. So good evening, you guys. This is Ulka, the owner and the designer at Graceful 6 Yards. I'm very happy today because of the gorgeous, colorful, full of textures. Thank you. Hey Rita, thank you. One more time, Rita. So the collection is so good, and I've put in a good mix. कि ऐसे नहीं कि everybody would like to wear traditional, right? But this time I have quite many traditional into the whole, the boutique में ही बहुत मैंने traditional लाई हूँ इस time, because I don't like a pattern. Monotonous pattern मुझे पसंद नहीं है. अलग अलग कुछ करे तब मजा आए, right? So this time I have a lot of traditional and a whole bunch of cocktail, of course, because that's our signature. Hey Vishal, morning. So the collection over here has a whole lot of bright colors. Of course, I have a few cocktails in between. The whole section, in my words, genuinely in my words, ऐसे नहीं कि मैं बेचने लगी हूँ इसके लिए कुछ भी वैसे वो नहीं है. All I'm trying to say is from top to bottom, everything, start to finish, the whole bunch is so good, so good. You know, so yeah. Rita क्या कह रही थी? Oh yes, Rita, so next time when you're coming to San Francisco, अगर तूने visit नहीं किया ना, तो फिर बस San Francisco में आना बंद कर देंगे. No, just kidding, yeah. But you should come see my bangle collection. So yeah, अभी मैं मेरे पास एक antique bangle है, like बड़ा सा, like it's like a kada, and then there's this elephant sitting right on the top, and the elephant itself is full of stones, like black stones or dark stones. But उसके लिए you should be just like जैसे आज अभी मैंने साड़ी पहनी है, right? Simply मैं chair पे बैठी रहूँ, doing nothing. Maybe sipping a wine or a good cup of chai with some matti वगैरह, वैसे वाला scene है तो वो बनता था. But I kept this functional and look at them. My God. So yes, thank goodness I'm not into Bengal business. वो तो पहली दिन I would buy my whole thing and business बंद. चलो जी, so start करते हैं. The first sari that you see on me is a bright yellow. Okay, look at that. I'll let you guys admire it. It has a big border. This definitely is a good. These are all handloom pieces, by the way. This border definitely, जैसे मैंने actually गिना नहीं, but मैं अभी देखो ना, आप ही देख लो. It's a good 10 inches. And then my favorite part is it's not teamed with a good 10 inches here. So it'll swallow the torso, right? So मुझे वो ही बताना था. And then later I'm going to be posting some pictures of some variation in the palla that I've done. You see how you could even slim down this. You also already know this kind of an idea. But don't be overwhelmed अगर ऐसे बड़े पल्ले का लेते हो तो. Rita. Anyhow, so this is how the sari palla is. If you haven't seen my blue sari picture with my fully finished Nandi painting, with Nandi I'm posing the palla. A little drama, आज तो दिवाली का बनता है. And the newsreader style palla. See? So much can be done, right? Simple colors, but the depth of this brown is just stealing the whole show for me. ठीक है जी. So चलो मैं start करती हूँ. I will be showing you the blouse that comes with it. The sleeveless one is obviously mine. I would say in this last 6 years, it's just a couple of times, literally couple of times, जो मैंने actual sari वाला blouse पहना था, because you sweat into it and then again you have to take it to the dry clean. यहाँ पे वो ड्राई क्लीन का भी थोड़ा सा वो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं उसके वो नहीं निकल ना जाए चीज़ें उसके ऊपर जो लगती है. So this is the blouse that comes with it, and look how traditional this is. And this is antique gold, all right? Look at that. And this is a legit brown. I will after some time you will see I also have a garnet, so it's a maroon and brown combination. I'll show you the color difference at that time. Let me give you the details, but introduction करते करते मैं अपने आप यहाँ वहाँ हो गई. But anyways, this is Ulka. Glad to see you guys here. You must stay with me from start to finish because there is a whole bunch that you are definitely going to admire, because I am so excited to share this collection with you guys. And other than this, there is so much in the boutique, so much. Like it's time that I've gone like all out and shopped, because I wanted to give like ये भी चाहिए, इस टाइप का भी चाहिए, इस टाइप का चाहिए, कर आके बहुत pieces है. So and then obviously you can only do as much on the live, right? So that's that. So feel free to take schedule an appointment with us at 408-480-0678, and we can decide a time and the day that works for you. For now, I'm actually doing couple of clients together just so that I can accommodate everybody because you know इतना collection है देखने के लिए तो like 45 minutes 1 घंटा तो ऐसे भाग रहा है, right? So if you want to come and you really want a one-on-one appointment, do let me know accordingly so I won't put in somebody else as at that time. Okay जी, चलिए फिर my modes of payment are Venmo, Zelle, PayPal and cash. If you are wanting to do that in person, we are based in the city of Danville, very close to San Francisco Bay Area. Rita, San Francisco अभी हमेशा याद रखना, okay? यहाँ आएगी तो आना है. Okay, so starting with the first sari on me, you would hear a sari number, okay? So once, if you like a particular sari number, go ahead and take a screenshot. If you're confident enough, go ahead and claim it on the show. That's always the best thing you would want to do. Because कई बार ऐसे हुआ है कि एक दो सारी के पीछे, like 3-4 of them and then put me on the second, third उसमें और फिर वो साड़ी मुझे मिल भी नहीं रही है. And these days, like, because I've already gotten so much collection, so I have kind of, for now, decided, quote unquote, for now decided that I'll bring only unique pieces, like redo नहीं करूँगी उसका, right? Second, third नहीं करूँगी. For now, आगे का आगे देखा जाएगा. चलो जी. So this beautiful piece. What do you think of this one? Crazy, right? Oh my god. This is a Gadwal silk and it comes into tiny checks. Notice this tiny checks here. And notice the mango motif, temple border, all of this, and it's very well finished by my favorite part, which is this dark brown here, because it kind of completes the whole. जैसे कोई canvas कर रहा है ना, उसका जब तक border नहीं करते हो ना, तब तक उसमें मजा नहीं आता. वैसे इसका scene है. And of course, small border, large border over here, good 10 inches for sure. If you want to be sure of how many inches this is, message me and we will take it from there. पल्ला तो आपने देख ही लिया होगा जब मैंने मॉडल किया. Even if not, here we are. This is a gorgeous piece. It comes with a already sleeves attached और ये मैंने पहन के देखा हुआ है. All of these blouses I have to wear them to understand whether the tailor, the Master G has followed the patterns and comfort कितना है. And it fits like a glove. Okay. Back देख ले. I know I am talking a lot today, but मुझे introduction देना बनता था आज का extra because everybody. Chaya, thanks, girl. Thank you. And this is a front open. I'm just kind of reading the details of this one, and I'll tell you as well. 38 expandable to 44. Height of the blouse is 14.5 inches and the sleeves are 9 inches. Okay? So when you actually, jab traditional sari hai, right? Now you see I'm wearing a sleeveless. So of course when you kind of like it this way, it's your comfort, go ahead and do that. But because the sari is so traditional, I would recommend this kind of blouse. Iske sleeves bhi nikale ja sakte hain, but you'll have to get it done yourself. But I would say once in a while, pura traditional banta hai. ठीक है जी? The sari number is 1937. Pardon me for the long number. And the set price is 168. And today I'm telling you, I'm not tempting you, I'm not pushing you. But today I'm telling you, agar confirmed ऐसे लगा right कि this is me, this sari is so me, go ahead and claim it. Alright? See this. This brown is so good and at present जो color दिख रहे हैं वही colors यहाँ पे सही है ना अर्चना? Thank you for the review यार. Okay जी, now check this and I've put in a good mix of colors so that way पूरा एक ही आँख में ना आते जाए colors. So look at this. When the moment is like quiet, believe me, like I'm just controlling myself कि ये सारी जाने वाली है मेरे आँखों के सामने से. Look at this. Wow color. Now ask me what kind of a color this is. Let me tell you, this will be like a sea greenish kind of a blue, right? See how pretty this is. So pretty. 1706 is the buy number of this crepe silk Banarasi, and the price on this set is 152. The color is very, very appealing. The zari is appealing because it's champagne zari. All right, let me see where the palla is. Look at the palla. Hey Asha ji, thank you yeah, for every time you share. Thank you so much. Look at this salvage over here. So the salvage over here is bigger. Aaj dressy hai na, to ye sab extra banta hai, right? Let's get ready for Diwali and check the motive. Yehi same floral motive is there in the palla as well. Whole sari. Okay, so if I don't do the pleats, just observe in this section. Agar yahan pe you see how it's gathering very easily. It does have tassels. When I showed you in the first place, कंधे पे लेके वो जो color दिख रहा है ना, वही color है यहाँ पे. See this? Very nicely sits. Double पल्ले में open किया हुआ है. 1706 is the buy number. 152 for the set. When I say set, what I mean is it comes with a custom design blouse. Notice all the details. Front open, padding, back is this way, and then of course sticking out are the sleeves. 8-inch ka sleeves hai. I'm going to run a little faster, okay? Very gorgeous colors, guys. This is like so good. 36 expandable to 44. Height of the blouse is 14 inches and the sleeves is 8. Okay जी. अंदर एक बार मैं margin दिखा देती हूँ, ठीक है जी. You see how the margin is? So I had a couple of clients का ऐसे हुआ था कि you see ये जो margin है ना, कभी कभार जब तुम पहनते हो और तुम्हें थोड़ा सा बड़ा करना है, right? So don't end up opening the whole bunch of this stitches, okay? इसके I would say अंदाज से एक दो ऐसे one on each side करके, because you know the gala also determines how the blouse is going to fit on you, front and the back का. So be easy on yourself, because वो अपने जो friends की मैं बात कर रही हूँ उनका ऐसे हो गया था कि खोल लिए and then फिर बड़ा हो गया. You see, then you know उस वक्त भागम दौड़ी हो जाती है, right? कि अरे I have to now get it done, hunt a lady who will be available to do that. This color is so yummy. Even though it's not pink, even though it's not the Alfonso or those kind of colors, but it's still very yummy. Hey Rasika, happy Diwali already. See this. ठीक है जी. Price मैंने बता दिया है. I'm just taking in the sip of chai. There will be blast of bright colors, then they will come down with some subtle colors. So I'm just doing justice to everybody around here, including myself. Okay, look at this guy. This is a soft silk sari. Again, very beautiful. पहले मैं सामने यहीं पे दिखाती हूँ, then I can go at the back so you can get the real color. अच्छा है ना color? So pretty. So pretty. Wow. This is like a Rani and hot pink ka combination hai. It's a soft silk. Notice all of that here. If you hear the sound, obviously palle pe palla hai. My palla bhi hai, uske upar ye hai. But notice all this. This itself is like pleating. Tassels, dressy palla, beautiful motif. Now, is this champagne zari? Yes, it's champagne zari, but a little extra hint of gold in it, okay? And this sari comes with its own blouse piece, and I have added a navy blue because this is that time of the year जो non-sari wearers भी साड़ी पहनना चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए फटाक से, like, because if you're a non-sari wearer and you don't have an extra blouse in the closet, or you don't have a color in the closet which is going to team with it, so वो सब मद्दे रखते हुए I thought I will combine it with something. and show it to you, and you'll be happy with that combination. So this is the blouse piece that comes with it. Softness dekho guys. 1272 is the buy number, and the sari set is with that blouse piece and the blouse is 150. Again steel. Okay, इसको मैं कंधे पे लगा के दिखाती हूँ, एक सेकंड. You see that combination? Obviously pretty, but if you're not the person who likes the brightness, or you want, let's say you are twinning with me and you want to tame it down, you would go with navy blue. I've talked about navy blue combination ample number of times, and you will agree with me क्योंकि मैं अभी टीम करके दिखाऊंगी. This is a ink kind of navy blue. Okay, 36 expandable to 44. So this sari ka blouse and the blouse piece, everything together is 150. Definitely a steal. Ask me what is the price of the blouse separately, I will tell you. Give me a second. I'm trying to team it so you can see the blue and the pink combination. थोड़ी देर में मुझे ये नेकलेस उतारनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा टाइम तो मैं एंजॉय कर ही लूँ. You see this combination? See, instantly the whole attention stays on the sari. This still coordinates very well. Okay, ऐसे combination होगा. Definitely something that you would think of, combining eventually. 36 expandable to 44. If you buy the blouse separately, it's $45. But with this sari only with the blouse piece is 140. So if you want to separate it, 140 for this. Just add the blouse. I mean, take my advice. You would take the blouse because the blouse price is 45. It's a custom design one. You're getting it for $10 only. Okay? Because मुझे पता है इसके combination में ये अच्छा लगेगा, इसके लिए I do that. I'm not even thinking of earning any penny on that. इसके लिए वो $10 में जा रहा है. So think about it. Okay? But if you have a navy blue, definitely you do not want to get that. Did you see how quickly I even folded that? And I did not even fold it like a blanket. I actually folded it like a sari. So if you are one who hangs the saris on the hangers into your closet, I would strongly recommend not to do that, because sari ke वजन से eventually the threads, no matter what type of the sari it is, वजन से वो थोड़ा सा unravel होने लगता है eventually. अभी beginning में नजर नहीं आएगा वैसे, but you would know. By the way, those who have seen that blue sari that I wore, that I posted on the Facebook, वो मेरी wedding वाली साड़ी है. So we had a Karwa Chauth celebration happening at one of my dearest house. So obviously we were to dress a little extra. तो मैं शादी का वो, we in Maharashtra we call it shalu. So अगर वो नहीं पहना तो क्या पहना, right? I wore that sari after 27 years, guys. Okay, now look at this next one. I should have kept a scissor here. Rishika, pehchana? See the sari color? Gorgeous. It's a, I'm kind of moving backwards because it's kind of showing gray on my screen. It's not gray. It's a ink blue, okay? So dark, I would say bluish, purplish, dark gray. ये सब के combination करके जो color आएगा ना, that ink blue is what it is. If you hold the saree into the sunshine, you would see the gleam of purple in it. See this? This is Bhagalpuri silk, of course. You've heard ample number of times. I love those, the texture of that, क्योंकि पहनी बहुत अच्छे से होती है. It comes with a gorgeous done blouse. Height देख ले, okay? Notice whenever I start pleating or something, height पे नजर रखना. ठीक है जी? Let me at least open it in a double पल्ला ताकि वो थोड़ा सा movement के लिए अच्छा रहे. Now we are talking. So now this क्या कहते हैं जो जरी है, it's even lighter than champagne. Now मजा इस बात का है when you get to see this blouse. Okay, this is the blouse which already comes with it. Because the sari is so simple on the as in motive नहीं है body में, so इसके लिए ये language उसका, ये chemistry उसकी बिल्कुल बनती है. It's back open. इसमें at this point you see that purplish, dark, bluish, grayish kind of a color वो अभी at this point नजर आ रहा है. ठीक है. Piping वगैरह very well finished. It does have the pads and it does come with sleeves as well. 1867 and then the price on the set is 152. When I say set, I'll repeat, it comes with, by the way, looks like these are 10-inch sleeves. Fully done hai. Notice all you have to do is get them attached if you like with the sleeves. ठीक है. Height of the blouse बोला था मैंने. Height of the blouse is 14.5. Beautiful set. I'll just put it on the shoulder and show the combination. Just real quick. See this? So perfect. So perfect. Very satisfying sari. ठीक है guys? एक मिनट में पल्ला सेट कर लूँ ताकि मेरे हाथ फ्री हो जाए. And I'm wearing this necklace also, so I'm already starting to get hot. So, feel hot. Sorry. Okay, and let me open the window as well. Give me 1 second, okay guys? लगा रही हूँ. Okay, now check the next sari. It also comes with its own blouse piece obviously, and then I have teamed it with a maroon color blouse, so it's good to go. You are ready to wear it. Okay, let me give you the buy number of this one. 1743 is the buy number of this satin Banarasi. It is a garnet maroon, okay? So brown and maroon combination will definitely get you to a garnet color. Look how beautiful this is. I've shown a green in this before. Lovely sari. Check all of that. This is definitely screaming Diwali. This definitely is screaming like any, you know, all of you guys are like dressing glam. This will certainly do that. What's that noise? Minty is in the downstairs bedroom. You see this? Now this one is antique gold, okay? So pretty. So pretty. Again, very satisfying, very camera friendly kind of a color. Okay, पल्ला तो देखो. Wow, notice all the flow over here, and ये जो है ना maroonish, उसी type में I have teamed the blouse. Will drape very well. If you want any of the sari to be fully opened and draped right in front of the camera while the show is on, let me know and I will do that. Although मुझे सारी number बताना, नहीं तो फिर पता नहीं चलेगा ना. Check the height of the sari also. ठीक है? Super good, very dressy. Look at this guys. बिना कुछ you know ना iron ना कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है. This is the blouse piece. This is, look at that gleam. ये इसका blouse piece है. जब मौका लगेगा ना, इसका blouse piece करवा के लेना बिल्कुल बनता है. See this. So satisfying again. But what I could do, so the new pattern which is in these days is ये जो है ना, all of this thing, जैसे सलवार कमीज में you have all of the pattern here, right? Most of them में होता ही होता है, like for सदियों से चल रहा है. So this zari you could adjust. Let me just explain. Allow me to design it for you. Because you know ये इतना dressy है, and you see how this motive is. It's all is very satisfying. So ये पूरा यहाँ पे adjust करके लेना, और ये वाला जो portion है, you could do it like a जो hook पट्टी होती है ना, वो वाले में ये करना, and then the rest of the blouse should have this. This will turn out so good, because when I saw this, I was like, this is it. इसका तो वो बनता है pattern. I mean, you could go even use gold zari and add a little more ornate details to that. This is the blouse that I'm teaming with it. You see, you see this thing? Like a teacher, I'm telling you. You see, ये जो maroon है ना? This is where we are. My pretty bangles, see? So, let me tell you the details of this sari set. 1743 is the buy number, and with the blouse piece, with the done blouse, the whole set is 146, and that is again a steal. Okay, 146 pura set. I've done a mistake there. In fact, the blouse is $10 extra, but that's okay. I said it. We'll keep it to that. Gorgeous piece again. ठीक है जी? Very beautiful sari. कोई से भी साड़ी को अलग attention देने की जरूरत ही नहीं, वो अपने आप ही like it's screaming, I'm so pretty, I'm so pretty. Okay guys, so those who had ordered for that viral sari, your saris are here. I will show you one more time which one I'm talking about. But अभी जो आने थे वो आ चुके. Now I will, sit back for a little bit. See this. This is the one I'm talking about. I know I'll be messaging you guys, okay? Two of you had asked me. मेरे वाली के साथ साथ आ गया है. See this? Oh my God. This is the viral sari. Instagram पे काफी viral हुई थी. अभी भी चल रही है वो. इसके साड़ी के डिटेल्स की जरूरत नहीं है. It is more so like a viral साड़ी. नेम से ही इसका satisfaction है. Look at the color is so unique. henna में complete gold hint है. Okay, the whole gloss is because of the henna. Notice into the shades. There is a dual tone. There's a हल्का सा purplish tone है. ऊपर से देखोगे तो even in the creases you can see at this point. See the creases? See here? You can see that purple tone. And then this is the best part. ये जो gap border है, इसमें जो dark teal color है, एकदम 10 on 10 है वो. So ladies, I will be messaging you. Please be patient with me. कल सुबह तक मैं बता देती हूँ, ठीक है? I still have to check the blouse size, okay? But वो आ ही गया होगा वैसे. Out of syllabus जाता नहीं है. But I want to be sure that it's done well. This is how it is. Geeta, yours sleeves is already attached, okay, as asked. See this? Can you see the work inside? Can you see that green and the blue tone? Very satisfying. It does come with sleeves on the side. And 1933. And this is a Maheshwari silk. The set price is 160. Too good to be true. Let me just put it together real quick. See this. Already पहना जैसा लगता है ना, इसके लिए मैं करके दिखाती हूँ ताकि पूरे एंगल से पता चले. Okay? Gorgeous piece. This color is so unique. You will पल्ला भी देख ले. Ranjini, you will rock this kind of a sari. I've seen your pictures. This is such a beautiful piece. अभी फिलहाल मेरे पास ये एक ही है, okay? And I definitely मेरी वाली मुझे रखनी है अपने लिए. So I'm going to quickly show you that green sari again for those who had inquired about कि वो fluff हो रही है क्या, here is the I'm going to completely open that sari. Again, mirror organza. So answering your question here, look at that color. Fluff नहीं हो रही है, okay? But मैंने सोचा कि वो फोटो भेजूं, वीडियो करूं, उससे अच्छा है कि मैं यहीं दिखा देती हूँ. One more time. This is a premium piece, guys. Look at that. When I even place the sari on the side, यहाँ पे भी पता चलता है उसका flow. See this. What can I say? Okay. Tell me if you have any other question about this. But I'm telling you guys, it's not fluffing. आपके सामने ही बिल्कुल यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. So there's nothing that I have ironed the sari, nothing doing. Check this. This also tells you the flow. Look at the gloss in this. Such a pretty piece. Even a simplistic sari like this. By the way, this is a graceful born sari. Okay, ये जो gold है, ये भी muted है, and it has a little hint of henna-ish color in that. You know. And let me tell you about this blouse. I am in the process of getting tassels done on either corner of the sari just because. But let me see how much time I would have on hand. This is the blouse that goes with it. See this? So pretty. This does not come with additional sleeves, but let me tell you the size. This is 38, expandable to 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. तो sure जाएगा. I can be very what do you say specific, उसको actual गिन के देखूंगी. 44 तक जा भी सकता है, but for now जितना मैंने आँखों से देखा है, it's showing 43 for sure. And the set price is 150 again, 1927. Sajida, I think I have answered your question. Here we go. Look at that. My God. जितना मैं उसको देखते रहूँ ना, it poses danger to me. If I had that much time in my life, I would really want to be. अभी history नहीं हुई है ये point की, but I would want to be somebody who owns the maximum Guinness Book वाला record वाला सारी collection मुझे करना है. इतना भी non-doable नहीं है. See this one, guys? This is again a very dressy, screaming Diwali. This is a chiffon, so those who are chiffon lovers, here we are. I have to open the whole sari to show you. You could, it's a wine color by the way. You could wear even a black underskirt and it won't hurt. It won't be even seen because the depth of the color is quite a bit. Flow, prettiness. This is all antique thread work. Antique zari mein pura kaam hai. It also has, notice, it also has those tiny stonework in there. Gorgeous piece. ये इसके pleats हैं. See how, let me go a little further. यहाँ पे जो है ना, at this point is the actual color. So it's a really dark one. ठीक है. Hey Talika, how are you? Who did the painting behind you? Thank you Talika. I accept your compliments. मैंने किया है यार. अच्छा है ना? Thank you. I changed the background उसका. इसी के लिए usually when I do the painting, I kind of hang it on the wall for a few days to see what works. Environment में क्या क्या है उसके आसपास कर आके फिर मैं उसको complete करती हूँ. So this is the blouse piece that goes with it. This is a wine color, guys. Going further off, this is a wine color. And it has all the details. Okay. 1350. Sari of the day. This is going for 135. This is going for 135. Repeating. Okay. Sleeves में काम है इसके. And let me see गले में कुछ दिया है क्या. Oh, so this was not the sleeves, but this is the actual body. Okay, it's already pre-designed blouse, and then sleeves mein you could do that little tiny salvage, this one. Okay ji, gorgeous piece. I had actually teamed with a wine color blouse on that one, but somebody claimed that blouse, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे team करती हूँ ना, तो it's actually not a part of the sari, but मैं अपने मर्जी से करती हूँ, तो I can even separate that if need be. Tulika, thank you yaar, thank you. All right, here we go. Look at this sari now. ऑलरेडी चीजें गिर रही हैं, अभी तक तो शो शुरू हुआ है. Now time to see this, the richness of this velvet, the quality of the velvet is so good. और ये अब कलर क्या है? It's a dark wineish kind of a brown, okay, like a deep, almost I would say डार्क पर्पल में हल्का सा अगर ब्राउन डालते हो तो जो शेड आएगा ना वो है. कामंटे सोनिया, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम. हे मौसमी, हाउ आर यू? संगीता, वेलकम. लुक एट दैट ब्लाउज, ब्यूटीफुल. ऑल इसका पूरा स्टोन वर्क, एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस. दिस इज ऑल हैंड प्रेस्ड, आई मीन हैंड से किया हुआ, एंड देन दे हॉट प्रेस इट so that you know it doesn't go anywhere. Notice the base of the blouse. You see this section? If I go far off, it all looks dark. You see, यहाँ पे एक particular portion है. I mean the shape is like that, so it holds the bust line very well. Let me give you the details. 1898 is the sari number, and the set is for 152. Yeah. Okay, here are the sleeves that go with it. This is 8 inches. All finished and done. Because the stonework is in silver, hence you see the piping is obviously done in silver. And now showing you the sari. Pretty. Iska na, actually the other day I had shown it during the day. It's very hard to capture this color because ये mauve shade है ना, so थोड़ा सा दिन में मैंने दिखा दिया है. अभी evening shade में देखो, evening lights में देखो. To me, I think when I took the picture to send it across for the inquiry, when I received the inquiry, it kind of looked more brownish, but it's not, okay? It's a legit mauve color. I'm going to be moving back and forth. You will, tell me, mauve nazar aa raha hai ki nahi aa raha hai? मेरे ख्याल से तो mauve nazar aa raha hai, at least in the night light. And I'm telling you, this is not brown shade, it is mauve. Look at all the details. Okay, this is a crepe satin, gorgeous. To those who love wearing cocktails, who do this time, maybe this Diwali you want to wear a cocktail, this definitely is one of the piece. Quick, gorgeous piece, and all you need is nice chandelier earrings, or you could even wear good statement studs, बड़े से stone में, white stone में. Let me hold it with the wow, so pretty, right? मैं personally इसको definitely 9.5 दे दूंगी. It is so satisfying. Beautiful set. 150 was it? 152. ठीक है जी, that's that. This itself tells you the softness of the sari. Good quality. None is compromised. I will show you one more glamorous color. Then I'll show you a glamorous ये कलर साड़ी के बाद I'll come back to the traditional thing. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, this necklace is a little too much for me. काम कर रहे हो ना तो सूझता नहीं है फिर. See this? Look at the color. Now this one is also mauvish, but it's more towards lavender. Perfect lavender agar shade, if you know what lavender I'm talking about, this is that tone. Okay, lilac is one thing and lavender is another. Okay, lilac is more towards purpley pink, and lavender is more towards little mauvish purple. Let me see if I can tell you at what point is the right color. You see, at this point, what you see is the color that I have. That's as much I can tell you. 19-20 hota hai guys, because lights hai mere samne, warm lights hai at this point. But एकदम ही 8 and 20 वाला scenario कभी नहीं होगा. Alright? Neither of quality and nor of color. Wow, this is so pretty. A point where literally I'm like self-appreciation वाला मेरा moment आ गया कि कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. See this कोनिया motif, and this is actual stone work. Okay, ये झारखंड stone है पूरा लगा हुआ. Look at these babies over here, whole lot. Let me see if they run throughout the saree. So yoke onwards, you will get all of that tiny stonework going through the Swarovski, what they say. And again, this is actually physically one by one लगाए हुए stones है, and then they are treated so they don't fall off. But of course, दो चार इधर उधर गिर भी सकते हैं because this is all man-made work at some point. Okay, let's all understand that these are not the things that will stick around in for like hundreds of years. See this? So pretty, picture perfect, and it's even nicer. Did you like this color? And it's even nicer because it comes with a custom done blouse, which makes it complete. Now this blouse, I have made sure that this gap is a little good 4 inches because it does not have any pads inside. Okay. Such a pretty, it all has those dotties over here. The Swarovski, it comes with a, from here I'll show you. This is the sleeves. Notice the base of that, it gives that pattern again. Sare details ye, you know, kaam ke hain. It's not just for the sake of talking. Okay, back open, 38 expandable to 44. Now this time why 38? Because at any given point, majority of them have to open at least 1 or 2 stitches. So इस time मैंने सारे blouses 38 से start किए हैं, just so that थोड़ा काम कम हो जाए. And see this? Okay, 1 stitch at a time खोल के, then you can go ahead. 1918 is the buy number and 185 is the set price, because this is a premium range, premium quality, everything is top notch. And this is a tissue silk sari, such a beautiful one. I have to show you the sleeves, right? I don't want to separate them, फिर वो ना इधर उधर हो जाता है. You see, it's fully done. All you have to do is get them attached. Okay. It's so soft. I'm trying to separate it and show you. इसमें जो है ना अस्तर जो लगा हुआ है, all of that अस्तर जो lining है वो भी काफ़ी soft होती है. Never a point where basically they will process the अस्तर before it is even put inside. It's washed and then ironed and then put together. Beautiful piece. The gleam is all because of the tissue thread. Okay, guys? Give me 1 second, okay? If you have liked the sari that I am wearing, I will repeat the details on that one. That's what I always forget. मैं एक बार show conduct करने लगती हूँ तो भूल ही जाती हूँ कि इसको repeat करना है. So the first sari, the sari that you see on me is 1937. It's a gadwal and with tiny checks on it. Combination is pretty, you know, visible. The right yellow is seen, the right brown is seen. 168 and it comes with done blouse. ठीक तरह से दिखा दो. Okay. If you have not scheduled an appointment with us, go ahead and message us. Because there are a ton of saris with me for this Diwali season and ongoing. Also, I have a lot of cocktails as well. If you wanted to come in person, 408-480-0678, and we can take it from there. If you cannot come in person, obviously, the ones out of coast, we can schedule a video call. But obviously on the video call, मुझे पहले से बता देना what kind you need, what color you need, because among those 400 saris, I cannot do the whole video call with all of those saris, right? So here we are. The next one is 1938. It's a Mangalgiri silk. It does not come with any blouse piece, but I've teamed it with a done blouse, so you're good to go. And second sari of the day. If you simply get this sari, even if you wanted to get it as a gift for your dearie, or a gift for your dearie, as in not me but yourself, so you could gift yourself one this Diwali, and the price only on the sari is 120, and I'll show you the blouse that is teamed with it, and with the blouse it will be 135. It's a Mangalgiri silk, very beautiful. I've had colors in this. If you have visited me, you know I have had colors in this one. This is a wow. ये साड़ी actually मैं अभी तुम्हारे सामने खोल रही हूँ. I have actually not opened it, but I can see it. I physically check all the saris. At this point, check कर रही हूँ. Height देख ले जब तक. It has checks in the middle and plain at the top, plain at the base. Okay, मैं दिखाती हूँ नजदीक से. Beautiful sari. I'm going to physically measure this sari because to me it looks longer than it is. That means इसका blouse piece कटा नहीं होगा. ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है. तभी मैं सोची इसका blouse piece क्यों नहीं आया. But I can't promise. Okay, मैं actually physically check करूँगी. फिर मैं बताऊंगी. But anyways, इसके साथ वो blouse piece है. Price is not going to change even if it comes, surprises me with a blouse piece inside. Very easy, very easy. You could literally, up it by some interesting blouse, like zyada ornate, elaborate sleeves, lots of jewelry, whatever you want it to do. And the color is not a maroon, it's a dark pink में हल्का tone of maroon डाल के थोड़ा सा dark किया हुआ है उसको. I mean the shade I'm saying. This is the blouse that I'm teaming with, entirely different, but still makes it complete. Okay, blouse sari एक बार देख ले. Let's finish doing that first. Handloom piece. You see this plain portion I was talking about, and then this checks. This is legit gold. This is legit gold, but again not very yellow. Okay, now I have to show you one thing in. You see this section? Being very candid with you guys, this is not a fault. जब धागा change होता है और धागा जब short, when it falls short and then they add it, you would see this kind of a thing. This is a signature of it being a handloom sari. This is very traditional piece. Look at that. Tassels, self tassels है इसके. 120 for this Mangalgiri, and then with that blouse, it's 135. Let me show you the blouse real quick. It does come with sleeves also. That's the back. Pardon me for the shabby presentation. Okay, look it. Very unique. All right, back open. And then the base is blue. As you can see over here, the base is blue. ये जो pattern का जो है ना, you see all of that has been डिज़ाइन वेरी वेल ब्लू एंड देन उसके ऊपर वार्म कलर्स दिए हुए हैं. The pattern is a little different. Let me tell you the size. 36 expandable to 42, and the blouse separately is $50. But with this one, it's going for 15 only. Okay. Now you must be wondering why I am doing this. Now ये why का मेरे पास एक ही जवाब है. Just because. हाँ जी Shelly, this saree is for sale. Yeah. I just now had shown उसका ब्लाउज जो आता है. मैंने अपना ब्राउन वाला पहना है, but this is how the blouse comes with it. It's a very traditional, very gorgeous piece. Let me put on the sleeve and show you. मैं कभी स्लीव वाले पहनती नहीं, but I was very happy with this one. You see this look, very satisfying. Antique gold, okay? ये लेंथ देख लेना, okay Shelly? Or whoever for that matter. It's a front open. It has pads underneath. 38 expandable to 44. Okay, height of the blouse is 14.5, and the sleeves is 9 inches. Tha shayad. Yeah, sleeves is 9 inches. Oh, and important part is the set price is 168. Shelly, do you want me to model the saree one more time, or you're good? जब से तो देख ही रहे होगे, राइट? बट इन केस अगर पल्ला देखना है तो मैं क्विकली दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने पिन अप किया है, बट लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन डू दिस. माय गॉड, दिस एंटीक जो है ना, टमी फुल है ये सारी. लाइक यू फील सो गुड. नाउ फॉर दोज हु लाइक सटल कलर्स, हियर वी आर. सो सैटिस्फाइंग. Premium pure georgette. Wow, so good. Okay Shelly, take the screenshot. We don't have any on the Insta, I mean on WhatsApp, right? On this one. Shelly, go ahead and take a picture. लिया ही होगा तुमने ना. 4084800678. Modes of payment are Venmo, Zelle, PayPal and cash. Just send me the screenshot and I will take it from there. Somebody's claimed it. Who is it? Priya. Oh, Shelly. So looks like this is claimed already. I'm going to put you as a second. Okay, backup. Because you know ये laptop मेरे सामने नहीं है. So here we go. Do you show blue saree just now? Did I show a blue saree? I don't think so, Ranjini. Oh, Shelly, you sent me the message on WhatsApp. Let me just go see once I'm done with the show, okay? Because time based, मैं उसको check करूँगी, and then I will certainly reply everybody. Whoever wants this yummy, this is like खाने वाली साड़ी है ये. Because it's like that. Shelly, see this? So pretty. खाने वाली, why? Because it's literally like that pista ice cream. Although I can't enjoy pista because I am allergic to nuts, but this is how I eat nuts. You see this? Isn't that a pretty way to enjoy nuts? So this is a premium georgette. All of this work, super pretty. Now you see ये जो florals बने हैं, you see those flower little bunches यहाँ पे पूरा. This is in that rainbow colors, okay? My God, I'm like soaking it in. So pretty. So yoke onwards, you will see whole lot of that those dancing Swarovski, you know, tiny stars, and then skirt border. Okay जी, ये रहा इसका flow, everything. It's a premium, a pure georgette, and इसका ये, this is the blouse piece that goes with it. It comes with a set designed. Oh, see, the ring was falling, so this is how I lost the other one. Here, अत्ता अड़क ली थी. Recently, you know, मेरी एक diamond वाली ring खो गई है because वो अटक गई शायद वो किसी साड़ी में. गायब हो गई. I just can't find it. If it is by any chance even come with any of the parcels and it doesn't fit you, that means it's mine. So 1411 is the buy number of this pista one, and the price on this set, I mean the blouse piece and the thing, is 140. Super yummy, very satisfying, subtle color. If you have sequin में, मैंने कितनी बार बताया हुआ है, और जितनी बार सीक्वेंट ब्लाउजेज आए हुए, दे हैव जस्ट फ्लोन आउट. हमेशा सीक्वेंट वाला ब्लाउज कभी भी हाथ लगता है, वेदर इट्स विद अस और विद एनीबडी फॉर दैट मैटर. फिट्स यू वेल, लेके रखना. दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉकटेल साड़ीज, दे रियली रॉक द सीक्वेंट वंस. Ta-da, beautiful color, my god. Again, Aisha, if you're around, तूने खुद को पागल कर रखा है पर्पल में, एंड these days like I've gone crazy on purple. I am just loving it. इतने साल मैंने बेकार कर दिए. This is one color that I did not wear for all these years, but अब मैं पर्पल पहनने लगी हूँ and I am loving it. Now this purple is like a violet kind of a purple, okay? Again, the space gap border wali theory apply ki hai. This is the latest which is going on, and I mean viral. And see the motive, so big. The motive is, of course, the peacock, and it's subtle gold, okay? Subtle gold hai. Let me check the palla. Wow. Everything 10 on 10 yet again, and I'll show you the blouse. 1925 is the buy number of this Chanderi silk, and it comes with the blouse. The set is 150. एक सेकंड, इसका हुक लगा देती हूँ. Can you warm this chai for me, please? My back has started hurting, maybe some. Thank you. एक सेकेंड ना गाइस, थोड़ा सा होमवर्क रह गया मेरा. Okay, let me figure this out. Front is which side? Okay, it's a front open. This color again, tummy full goodness, जिसको कहते हैं ना, वो वाला कलर है ये. It does not come with pads. This time मैंने काफ़ी ब्लाउजेज ऐसे किए जो because I have so many friends who are like, you know, tell me how to remove that. So anyways, अगर remove ही करने हैं तो might as well ना ही आए. You know, some blouses have them, some don't. But you see, that's the back. Okay. The leaf motive है, I mean the leaf pattern दिया हुआ है, and see the rimming. So well finished. That's the front. Okay, and of course 8-inch fully done sleeves. It's also finished well, ताकि even if you're not using it, it's sitting in the background. Then I have even suggested, you know, जिस दिन थोड़ा सा time मिलता है, and if you're somebody creative, not only portly, उसके वो जो बनता है ना, like a flat kind of a purse where you just put your phone. Even those are very easily, you know, करने जैसा project है. Super good, easy. So if you, what I'm coming to is, ये अगर sleeves आपने नहीं लगाना है, तो fabric fake नहीं देना, थोड़ा सा उसका कुछ काम कर लो. Because, I mean, if you can carry that little pouchy with like your, you know, accessory, why not? If not, you could even make tassels out of that and then add that little, the thingy. So what thingy I'm talking about, I will post a picture and you will see what thingy I'm talking about. By the way, how do you like my hair color? So Rishika, ever since you said this is like so fall welcoming, जब भी मैं अपने ये well set बाल देखती हूँ ना, आज मुझे I'm like happy with the setting. I think of you because you had said कि it's like fall colors. So 150 is this purple set, okay? It's a Chanderi silk, 1925. If you're liking any of the sarees, continue taking the picture. So pretty. Thank you. Guys, again, if you want me to fully open the saree and drape it and show, I will do so. बस यही मैसेज करना इतना थोड़ा सा बेटर रहेगा, बिकॉज फिलहाल इट्स लाइक क्रेजी बिजी. आई एम ऑन माई टोज सिंस मॉर्निंग. चेक द हाइट. ओके, मैं हाइट दिखा रही थी. सो उसमें मुझे और पिक्चर्स और वो सब सेंड करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. टाइम टू सी ए gentle color again, but a super bomb of a piece, because see this is legit silver zari. Okay, this is a Banarasi in Lehriya pattern. So it first of all wins for the festival because it's Banarasi, and second of all because it's Lehriya, so it keeps itself traditional yet. On this sari, now I'm just going to give you the price details and the size of the blouse. Rest time for me, and soak in the goodness. Let me see how many seconds I can keep quiet. 1185 is the buy number. Color is like an ice blue, like a minty blue color. Okay, very light, very ice blue. And this is a Khadi Georgette, and 180 is the price of this set. Silver zari. If you're trying to check the volume button, you don't need to. मैं ही बंद होके बैठी हूँ because the saree is so good. My speechless moment हो गया है. Notice this portion does not have the zari. Tuck in के लिए easy है. See this? So much drama in this. Let's check the goodness over here. Too good to be true. Too good, guys. And इसका जो blouse है, it comes with already done sleeves. Has the pads inside. Silver lining. You see that? Piping लगी हुई है. So it's a good news is, if you're already the one who loves wearing the one with the sleeves, then it's already done. You don't have to search the lady and get the appointment to get it done and things like that. But here we are. That's the back. Front open. Alrighty, guys. 38 expandable to 44, and it can even go up to 46. There's enough margin, but the height of the blouse is 14.5 inches. So I would say check if the height works for you, only then आगे open करते जाना. But I would suggest 44 would be great. 46 हो ही रहा है because अंदर fabric है. So good. Pleating. The position on which I'm standing is literally वो होता ना on your mark, get set, go वाला, वो वाले pose में मैं खड़ी थी because my back is starting to hurt, so I'm like balancing. Yummy. Send me some love if you like this. अगर नहीं love मिला तो मैं समझूंगी कि ये silver zari तुम लोगों को पसंद नहीं है. I'm loving it. Honestly, I am loving it. Okay, now ulka kind of a sari, okay? Two saris I'll be showing you in just a second. So, Shelly, look at the traditional batch. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the likes and the love. I'll be showing the traditional bunch now. So keep an eye out. Should I show ulka kind of a sari first and then I'll start showing the dressy guys? Okay, let me be nice to myself and show you what I mean. This one is 1152. It's a pure Vishnupuri silk. Last one, okay? In this whole batch, ye jo tha, this is the last color, and I don't know how this is even behind. ये पीछे रह भी गई कैसे सारी, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया है पूरे बैच में से. I mean, what this color? If you want to know what garnet color is, just look at this. This is the garnet color. इसके creases में notice I have to go farther off. It's a deep, during the day you would see it a little brighter, but it's a deep garnet color, okay? At this point, let me switch off the light for 1 second and see. दिख रहा है क्या darkness? Can you see the darkness? I don't want the white lights going. एक second. This is better because the white light changes the colors. So now we are good. It's a dark shade of brown and maroon combination, pure Vishnupuri silk, and it does come with a उसी के पूरे like tone and tone same blouse piece है. It's a part of it, Silk Mark certified, and this is what I've teamed it with. And now if you ask me why this, let me put it on the shoulder and show you. So the gleam of this tissue silk and a little lighter in shade, pinkish, bluish, brownish wala tone hai. So this is a little toned down color, definitely toned down hai, and deliberately I've teamed it together because when I'm actually putting the pieces together, I know what I'm doing. So ये combination बहुत सुंदर दिखेगा. I'm pretty sure about it. Okay, so the set blouse piece and the thing 150, this, okay, and then if you add this blouse, we are adding another $20 only. Okay, it's a pure tissue, back open, 36 expandable hai. Let me see, 36 to 44, and the height of the blouse is 14.5 inches. Super good. $20 extra for this one, only if bought as a part of the sari. If it's separate, then it's $50. Okay, one last chance for this guy. See, at this point jab main thoda sa dur aayi hu na, now I see a good color. It's so rich. So this kind of a sari allows you to wear a whole bunch of statement pieces. वो जो था ना solid में, उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. Now check this, Shelly. If you have missed on this yellow one, right? See this. This was on the sneak peek. See the border. This is even longer than the one that is on the brown, that one I'm wearing. Hey Neelam, welcome. Hi Anita, how are you? See the Sona Rupa, you can clearly see the gold and the silver zari work going through. And this gold is the rose gold, okay? Like the copper tone zari. And this is a orange, but not like a fruit wala orange jo hai na, not the pumpkin kind of an orange. Little toned down for sure. Pumpkin wala काफी bright रहता है. And see the top border. मैं इसको खोलती हूँ. It does come with a done blouse. 1936, and this Gadwal silk is 168 for the set. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Huh? Wow. Now what is this, guys? ये भी वो टाइप की साड़ी है जिसे खाया जा सकता है. Such a gorgeous piece. If you want to know the actual length of this, message me and I'll tell you. But for now, I can definitely see that as 12 इंचेस तो है ही है, पकड़ के ही चलो. Okay, 168 for this set. I'll show you the blouse in a second. Just go ahead and admire this because this is not going to stay too long. The Meena work. So when the checks are done, the cross line is purple. Okay. Now this purple is again the violet one. पल्ला तो देखें इसका. Wow. My God. So this is again one of those sarees. जैसे मैंने beginning में I had worn that बड़ा वाला necklace and stuff, right? So it will really look good with this kind of. Oh, where did I put the blouse of this guy? Oh. And I don't want to tie the knot, so shortcut. This is the blouse that it is steamed with, already pre-done sleeves, just like the brown that I showed you. जो मैंने पहनी हुई उसके भी sleeves लग के आए हैं, वैसा ही इसका sleeves लग के आया है. Alright? It does not have the pads inside it for deliberate reasons. 1936 is the buy number. The size of the blouse is 38, expandable to 44. Height of the blouse is 14.5 and the sleeves is 9 inches. Okay, and the set price is 168. Bomb of a piece. एक second, I have to show you one thing. कमर टूटी हुई है, but enthusiasm full पे होना चाहिए. Because it's that time of the year where glitz and glam में कोई कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए. You see this? I'm going to do this so the brown blouse is not seen. But you get my point, right? So pretty, just loaded with temple jewelry and things like that. And kya maza aega. And your lipstick shade has to be like violet purple, a violet pink, okay? In case if you miss on that, I'll show you पैटर्नी. Now, पैटर्नी नहीं दिखाई तो कैसे क्या show complete होगा, right? It's not finishing. I have so many sarees yet. बस हेल्थ साथ देनी चाहिए. ऐसे मैं करती हूँ and then my 4-5 days are like dead. Thank you. Nice coffee. All right, guys. Patterny. Ha. Tummy full goodness of everything in this. Now, isme again the city gul wala sari aa gaya. You see that? You see the double tone as is hai yahan pe mere paas. Hey Shweta, welcome. Hi Pramila. Notice the border. Everything is so perfect. Those tiny star motif runs all throughout the sari. Okay, skirt border में नहीं है. All throughout the sari. This is a legit जो मोर पंखी color जो बोलते हैं ना वो वाला है. Height of the sari. It's a premium silk again. The palla very traditional. Patterny palla. This is a double palla, meaning front and back में palla है ऐसे नहीं है, but this set of peacocks are 7 sets, okay? 7 fellows, 7 pairs. That's when they become double. That's how the concept is. डबल पल्ले में ओपन किया हुआ है, फिर भी मैं प्लीट्स दिखाती हूँ. I have promised myself I'm not going to take any Advil nor Tylenol tonight, okay? Let's see. Okay, see this? Wow. Check the dual tone. It's super gorgeous. It has its tassels also. Beautiful. Now, it comes with a blouse piece. This was, last minute added sarees to the collection. It does not come with a done blouse, but you can definitely wear a Rani color blouse with it. Ye iska blouse piece hai. So pretty. Let's see. I'm really tired, honestly. 1851 is the buy number and 145 The color is exactly what you see on the screen. Give me a second, okay? जरा एक दो sip of chai ले लूं. I have to show you a couple of brown sarees. ये साल में, you know, the blue is my new black. The brown is my new black. The green is my new black. Look at this color. My God. See this? Again, a traditional saree. अब ये वाला and the brown that I have. This is a legit brown. This one is a darkest shade of garnet. वो जो मैंने दिखाया था ना garnet, उससे भी ये वाला garnet darker है. I have the. This I had shown few minutes back. You see? This goes more towards, how do I say, थोड़ा सा maroonish garnet है ये शायद. Brown with a hint of maroon in it. Comes anyways, garnet color वैसे ही होता है. Very good. Wow. Guys, what is this? Oh my God, look at this combination. Now this is like a mustardy brown combo over here, because ये shade को मैंने दिन में देखा हुआ है, and it's not changing the shade over here, okay? And I'm loving the fact that the way this rim is given, इतनी मोटी नहीं है. Both the borders were showing up. Now you see this? See how beautifully it is crafted. The way this rim is given itself is complementing, is bringing the darkness of the color so well. Okay, definitely 6-7 inches length hai salvage ka. The one on the top, you notice it's smaller. I'll team it with the blouse piece. 1941 is the buy number of this Kanchi Pattu saree. And look at this. Wow, इसका भी blouse बन के लेना चाहिए था, but ran out of time. Beautiful color again. It's a mustardy brown shade teamed with a garnet, darker shade of garnet. Guys, this combination is a bomb. Notice the motif. It is, what kind of a motif is that? Is that like a parrot? And this is the mango motif over here. Silver gold combine किया हुआ है, and over here also in the body silver gold of this motif. Beautiful combination. And the price on this Kanchi Pattu is 154. Comes with a blouse piece. If you really wanted to wear it right away, and if you don't have a mustard, you could even go a lighter tone of mustard. But ideally, you could straight up wear a gold and enjoy the traditional part of the sari. Holi hai jaise bolte hai na, to aise I would say Diwali hai kind of a thing. See the palla? This blue is so good. It's teaming very well. Height dekh le, all of these silk sarees, check the height of these guys. I'm wearing a 3-inch. See the height of the saree. These are all sought from the south. Picture perfect again. Wear traditional, this type of jewelry pehno is pe. I'm going to wear it yet again because मैं traditional दिखा रही हूँ ना, तो थोड़ा सा मजा आएगा इसके साथ. Be patient with me, okay? और थोड़े sarees बाकी हैं. Let me see how much I can survive. One more time. I love my bangles. Okay, look at this. थोड़ा सा silent color दिखाते हैं, but the sari is not silent. It's super dressy. It's a Banarasi again. Color is gentle ivory color. It's a Banarasi. It has the gold, silver, the champagne gold. I wouldn't say silver, the champagne gold and the copper tone. Wow, this sari is a bomb. कौन सी साड़ी मुझे पसंद नहीं आती, मुझे सारी साड़ीज पसंद आते हैं. Every saree is a bomb for me, honestly. Super beautiful City Gold wali saree. Check the palla. Wow, this palla is very unique, guys. This is something else. Okay, this is a Banarasi. Height dekh le. Gorgeous piece, isn't it? And it comes with done blouse. Details bata do. 1855 is the buy number of this Banarasi, and it comes with a done blouse, custom made blouse, and the price of the set is again 168. This blouse will have attachable sleeves given on the side. Statement blouse because of those lines, okay? Very well finished. Back open. Does have pads. It is the Sabya style. Beautiful, gorgeous. So if you have really multi-layer, see abhi jo pehna hua hai na, this kind of necklace works really well. If not, even if you have lots of pearl necklaces, you could team it with it, and you see the regal output jo hoga usme. And ye iske bane sleeves hai on the side, okay? Definitely good 10 inches. 9-10 inches to hai hi hai. All right. I do have one more brown with the purple, but I'm not going to open that side because my back is cracking, guys. We'll take this 1855. Priya, 1855 was this one. This is perfect for Durga Puja. Promise me if you're going to wear that red big bindi and lots of red bangles. Tabhi, okay, Priya? No, seriously, ma'am. So this is the next one. Isko main khulungi nahi, main aise hi dikhati hu. Look at that combination. Now this is not the one that I had just shown, okay? That garnet was different. This guy is brown. Again, my kind of a sari. It's teamed with a violetish purple. Super beautiful piece. My God. See that violet? Every sari is like, my God. What can I say? Priya kya keh rahi? Yes. I know, right? Priya? पागल होने का काम है यार. दोपहर को जब मैं इसको लाइन अप कर रही थी ना, मैं literally at this point, एक point मेरा आया था कि I just got out of that room. I was like, you know what? I need a tea break because I'm becoming too sad. I cannot let go of so many pretty sarees. Gorgeous saree again. Okay, 1915. This is a semi-silk Kanjivaram saree. Beautiful dual tone of purple and violet. Plus the done blouse is 165. इसके मैंने हुक लगाया नहीं है. This is all recently come batch. Guys, go ahead and schedule your appointments. You do not want to miss on all this goodness. 38 expandable to 44. Does come with done sleeves as well. Everything is ready. See that dual tone? That's what I was trying to show you. Beautifully done, very well finished. This is the color when I'm standing farther away. Shelly, if you like this color, this is also a bomb of a color, okay? Too good. Price मैंने बता दिया था 165. I'm telling you guys. Now I'm going to cut short on these. My back is completely gone. एक मैं ना I'll show you this sari because it's different. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you a brocade Kanjivaram. I'll show this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, you know, क्या मैं बोलूँ इसके बारे में? You see this? This is how the sari is. पहले height देख लें. See that? Sorry. Too good. I'm nodding because it's like I'm signed out. That kind. It is so good. This screams bigger events like weddings and things like that. You could really, you know, अच्छे से उसका पल्ला करके pleats properly करके कमर की तरफ के and actual pleats में, and then wear that belt, load with good jewelry. I mean, कुछ कभी तो ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि all out जाए. That kind of a sari. Gorgeous piece. And it's not even going to bother you on your wallet, okay? Just wait and hear the price. इसका भी done blouse है. The pattern is entirely different. 1689 and the price on this set is 170 only. Did you see I went off the feed? Okay, this is how the blouse is. I'll show you the back. All right? See this? ये जो top है ना? Now I don't have 4 hands otherwise, and I have not done my homework today. You see this connection I'm trying to do? यहाँ पे hook है. And this is beautiful blouse. All right? Front open था. Front में if you notice, it is the Sabya style, okay? यहाँ पे देखे. So it will fit very well. And the sleeves, good about 9 inches. You see what I mean? Super festive ready. Festival ready. 170, it's a steal. Again. This will drape well. Okay, इसका thread count definitely higher है compared to the one that I am wearing because this is a brocade. ये पूरा काम हुआ हुआ है पूरे साड़ी पे. You see that? So multiple threads are going across, जिसके चलते थोड़ा सा इसका thickness है. You see, I'm showing you right now. But this, I would say, if you're somebody like me, I would literally wear it like a. You see this? Single palle mein pehno isko and enjoy all the glamour that it will offer. Now I'm cutting down few sarees, guys. But I will not miss on showing these gorgeous pieces. Okay, look at this one. Mauve color yet again. This is a tissue silk saree again in mauve, and see the color? See this portion. पहले तो काम देख ले इसका. Very dressy, okay? This set is 175. This is the last one I have in this set now. I had 4 colors. This is the 4th one. You see that? You see the matka? जो deer वाले मैंने दिखाए थे याद है? उसी बैच का ये है. See this? Lovely color. 175 is the set price. It does come with sleeves, 8-inch sleeves, which also has the embroidery. This does not have, deliberately has told not to do the अस्तर लाइनिंग उसके अंदर. See, this is the साड़ी. ये पूरा काम साइड से चलेगा on the top and even at the base of the sari. Beautiful sari. The first sari ये बैच में पूरी गई है is the gold one, मेहंदी गोल्ड जो थी. उसके बाद a pearl one, then the peach tone is rusty peach, and then this. These are the only 4 colors I had. But each is unique. Each has its own drama. This sari, if you're around Danville, if you're in East Bay, South Bay, wherever, you have to come to see this sari. Gosh, this is so pretty. The other ones were all with deers. This is with the matka pattern, mauve color. It has all the stonework going. यहाँ पे all the thread work and actual stones. Okay, the stones are gold kind of a color. Okay, not silver. The weaving, ये जो रेशम thread है, ये थोड़ा सा copper tone में है. See this? Beautiful color. Skirt border, 175 for the set. Again, color mauve, perfect mauve. Okay ji, I have cut down the show, but you are welcome to come see the collection in person because there is so much to show, but I can't do that live forever. You know, ऐसे पता चले मैं घंटों घंटे खड़ी हूँ यहाँ पे और ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है because the collection is so much and so gorgeous, and this is not even marketing. Candid opinion. See the showstopper. Ready? Pure chiffon. इसके color, इसकी purity. It's a chiffon. Ranjini, if you like this, this is your moment. I know you're a chiffon girl. Look at this. इसका, you know, if you're curious to know इसका वजन क्या आता है, I can tell you this must be literally 350 grams के भी अंडर होगा, 250 grams भी नहीं होगा. इतना light है ये. It's a pure piece, 100 marks, and it's steamed. You see this hot pink is steamed with a red. See this. Wow. इसका ब्लाउज बनके नहीं आया है, but I'll show it to you in single palla, okay? If you have a red color blouse, see now why I don't get the blouses done of some sarees, because you know red ये सब common color सबके पास होते हैं. So why do you want to spend extra just to, you know, wear that matchy? Just wear a plain blouse and it does still do the same thing. The price on this pure sari with the blouse piece is 192. Suma, dekh le isko. Rahat, where are my pink ladies? This is your moment to take a look at this gorgeousness. See this? Itna light hai. ये भी साड़ी I could have worn, but it's such a, you know, what do you say? My God. You see that color? Super pretty. This is chiffon, hence you see that it's a little see-through. But once you wear the red color blouse, समझो कि मैं ये blouse piece दिखाती हूँ, okay? एक मिनट. इसका blouse piece देखो. This is the blouse piece that comes with it, and I'll show it to you in a second. मैंने भी dark पहना हुआ है ना, इसके लिए शायद वो. I have a hot pink color blouse. I should have worn that and shown it to you. Now you see what I mean, right? Ranjini, where were you? I was just calling you out. This is chiffon. Too good a piece, okay? So, I am tired showcasing, so I'm short, you know, cut कर रही हूँ program को. Program ही हुआ इतना लंबा. But I don't know how people do it for so many hours. मेरा तो इतना ही होता है. So anyways, thank you for your time with us. this evening. I am sure you enjoyed. आवाज भी जा रही है, देखिए सही टाइम पे साइन आउट कर रही हूँ. If you've liked any sarees, you've already claimed it via WhatsApp. Again, repeating 408-480-0678. Feel free to take appointments via Instagram, every messenger or IMS. Walk-ins are not the thing that we are looking at. I'm presently taking 2 clients at a time just so that I can. Diwali time hai, so might as well sabka dil rahe. So us angle se, and do message me and we can schedule your appointment as well. If your sarees are already claimed, I will confirm it to you via WhatsApp and send you the payment link, and we can take it from there. Our modes of payment again are Venmo, Zelle, PayPal and cash if in person. And that's about it. We do not put any sarees on hold. I'm so sorry for that. We do not provide the services of stitching, at attaching the sleeves or so. The lady who has agreed, like I had a good conversation with her, and she does a good job, but she is visiting, going on a vacation, so वो option अभी फिलहाल नहीं है. So अगर अपने आप ही कर पाते हो, किसी से करवाते हो तो बढ़िया है. If you have liked this sari, oh, I think Priya has already claimed it, and any other sari, go ahead and send me your screenshots. Okay, you've already heard the buy number as well. Chalo ji, you guys have a restful night. I seriously deserve again a hot cup of tea to clear my back damage. फिर कल मिलते हैं. And by the way, if you are changing or if you're wanting to change the time of your appointment, please मुझे at least एक 45 minutes 1 hour पहले बता देना, ताकि because if somebody had asked that time and I would have already told that person कि no, I have it booked for someone, तो at least अगर 1 घंटे का टाइम देते हो ना बीच में, अगर चेंज कर रहे हो तो वो बंदी को भी मौका मिले आने को. Chalo ji, thank you. You guys have a restful night. I shall too. And those watching from out of the country, you guys have a wonderful day ahead. And we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.